Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of ChatGPT on all your devices at once. First, open ChatGPT on your PC browser. This feature only works on the web version, not the mobile app. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click the Security tab on the left side, then look for the Log Out of All Devices option and click the button next to it. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click Log Out All, and you're done. One important thing to know, you'll be logged out of your current session immediately, but it might take up to 30 minutes for ChatGPT to log out on your other devices. If you're using Google or Apple to sign into ChatGPT, you can also change your password for that Google or Apple account. That will automatically log everyone out of all sessions too. A quick tip, use this if you lose your phone, sell an old device, or see conversations you don't recognize in your history. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.